nongïalam National People's Party Kong Ampareen Lyngdoh kabadai ru Myntri tnad koit khiah ong baki kam baka sorkar ialam daki NPP kila biang pura yaki paidbah bakin ai biang ka jingshaniah haka parti haka ni ke Elekshon Mdc kaban Shillong haka arphoi tarik mynta bnai. Kong Ampareen haba kren bat kila pathai Khubor ong ru baki NPP kila pynkhreh bha naga bynta ke election haki ni ki artli ki district council kata haki HEDC bat JHEDC kenang bakin yo ya ka Jop Kham Bun daga bakam bakani ke election kalong ka bakham pher ka Kong Ampareen ong ru bakam sngo pher bakani ke election kala ban kham pher naki we pat ke election haki snam baladam namar ka sngo scam baka party hi kan yo pun gut bahagi Kyrtong ki bajab habaro artli ki council.
For the two district council elections that are happening in the state on the 21st of February. I have a feeling that these MDC elections may have results which are far different from the previously held elections in the state. It would be incorrect for me to sound predicting too much, but our candidates are grounded and they are being supported by the party in as many ways as possible to ensure that our numbers in the district council are comfortable, secure, and we're looking at these partnerships that will likely be close to the partnerships that we have in state government. I am confident that our candidates are working hard. And I pray that God will bless every candidate, will bless the party. And the High Command is clear on its mission. We must win. We will all work hard. And we must ensure that these elections do not get too personalized. There should be no anger. There should be zero intolerance. And we must remember that all of us are here because we have one common agenda in our minds, and that is to serve the people of the state of Meghalaya to the best of our capacities. We do not lose sight of that. Doesn't matter. Politics has its own dimensions, but the NPP is strong, the NPP is confident, and we don't think that we will not be the lead party in both the autonomous district councils.